Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick and I am back with day 28. Oh my gosh, it's day 28 already, 28th day of March. It's just flying by. So this is another project idea that comes from Heart Hook Home, and I like Ashley at Heart Hook Home. She's got the best patterns. She's really very creative, and I love just about everything that she comes up with. So this is a great one for cold and flu season, but also because of the pandemic, you know, everybody's always using hand sanitizer now, and it's not a bad thing. You know, it's good that we're aware of keeping ourselves safe and healthy. So this is a crochet hand sanitizer cozy, and it is a free pattern from Heart Hook Home. I love this idea. You can like just, you know, hook it wherever you need it, okay? It says if you're looking for ways to keep your and your children's hands clean this cold and flu season, especially when not near a washroom, this hand sanitizer cozy will be perfect. So, and they are perfect, and they're perfect size too. I really like this a lot. I'm going to just scroll down and let you know what I find out as far as what kind of yarns to use and difficulty rating. Personally, I'm just looking at this thinking the difficulty rating would be easy. It does not look difficult at all. And I'm going to guess a cotton yarn, but let's just see if I'm right. I'm going to keep scrolling. I will say this about Ashley. She does put a lot of pictures in here, and there's not a lot of ads, but you do have to scroll down quite a ways to get to the pattern. But again, you're not drowning in ads. She mostly just has a lot of pictures of the project to show you. Okay, so she did use cotton yarn. She used Dishy. Check one for me. And it only used 12 yards, so great scrap buster for your cotton yarn. She used a 3.2 millimeter hook, and she wrote the pattern in US terms. I don't see anything about a difficulty rating, but I'm just looking at it, and it looks super duper simple. And there's lots and lots of pictures to kind of help you along to make sure that you're, you know, doing it right. So I love this idea. I love the simplicity of it. I love the look of it. I love the colors that she has chosen. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this pattern. Is this something that you've made before? I can see that this would be something that maybe a lot of people have already tried. Or is it something that you'd like to try out in the future? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you are interested in making this, as always, I'm like a broken record, I know, but click in the link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. When you get there, click on the picture of the item you want to try, and it's going to take you right to the pattern. All right, everybody, until tomorrow's fantastic idea, and oh my gosh, day 29, have a great day. Bye-bye.